After 18 years of managing investments, surviving market crashes, and helping hundreds of clients, I've realized one thing. Most people don't need more money. They need better money habits. In this video, I'm sharing 5 simple habits that completely changed my financial life, and they might just change yours too. Let's begin. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. This one habit made me financially bulletproof. Before I paid my bills or touched my salary, I invested a part of it automatically. SIPs, recurring deposits, or even setting up a separate savings account, it doesn't matter how. What matters is doing it first. Your future self will thank you. Habit 2. Don't let your lifestyle grow with your income. Every time I earned more, I used to upgrade something. A better phone, more dinners out, more shopping. But what I actually needed wasn't more stuff, it was more savings, more freedom. Once I kept my expenses flat and let my income rise, I finally had breathing space. Habit 3. Track every single rupee. Not knowing where your money goes is like driving blindfolded. I started using budgeting apps and created a simple monthly review. Within 3 months, I found leaks worth thousands. And once I plugged them, everything changed. Habit 4. Avoid bad debt. Credit card ME traps. Impulsive loans. Buy now pay later culture. I've seen all of it, and lived some of it. Today, I only carry good debt, the kind that builds value, like a home loan or business capital. Everything else? Avoided like the plague. Habit 5. Never stop learning. The best return on investment I've ever received came from learning. I read books, listened to finance podcasts, and followed people smarter than me. That's how I stayed calm during 2008. That's how I stayed invested in 2020. And that's how I still grow every day. These 5 habits didn't just grow my bank account, they changed how I think about money. If any one of them resonated with you, start today. Even one habit can shift your financial future. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for weekly money wisdom. And tell me in the comments, which habit are you going to work on first?